From here, you get a spectacular panoramic view of Lake Mead, the dam, the Colorado River, and the bypass bridge.
Okay.
As you look over the railing, you will see the tallest
It's okay.
concrete dam in the Western Hemisphere. Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,244 feet across the top, but only 78 feet across the base. It looks somewhat like an upside-down pyramid. This massive arch gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete. That's enough concrete to build a 2-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City. The thickness of the roadway is a mere 45 feet, but as the dam expands towards the base, it reaches 660 feet, nearly as thick as it is tall. She weighs in at a petite 6.6 million tons.
That's the Hoover Dam.
Behind the dam, you can see Lake Mead, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States. It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the tail bay, or tail race. But in reality, that's the Colorado River. This is where the water is drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake.
Nag-picture lang kami. Thank you, Hoover Dam, for the experience.